Well, hello, Sally. How are you today? Fine. Alexander the Great is one of the most famous men in history. Many books have been written about him. He was born in July 356 BCE in Macedonian, the son of Philip, the king of Macedonia, which made Alexander a prince. One of Alexander's teachers was Aristotle, who was also born in Macedonia, but lived for a long time in ancient Greece. Aristotle was the one who taught Alexander to respect the Greek way of life, and more than any other teacher that taught him. Alexander spoke Greek, knew Greek history, and believed in the Greek gods. When Alexander was young, he dreamed of teaching everyone and everything of what he thought was the wonderful Greek culture of what he loved. Alexander was trained to be a warrior, ruler, and leader of men. He was taught that his job was to expand the Macedonian Empire when he was king and rule at all times with a firm hand. Before Alexander became a king, his father had conquered most of the Greek city-states, including Sparta. The Greeks weren't happy with treatment they received from Alexander's father, and they were known to hate him. James, I quit! John can do the rest!